to dai ko da haka take to za a yi watsi da mu.
prøtest, the economic hardship in Nigeria has made a twist of things unexpectedly negative. Yes, in a bold call amidst Nigerians' economic hardship, an imam from the north urges Northerners to defy the fear of being sent to RIP and join a revolutionary protest to challenge the nation's governance. Pointing blame at the APC-led political class headed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he emphasizes the necessity to act rather than succumb to intimidations by law enforcement agencies.
Kowace sunanta mutuwa. Don haka a kiyaye fushin talaka. Cewa da muke zanga-zanga ba kyau za a kai lokacin da ba mu iya faɗi. Ba mu iya faɗi. Kuma wallahi magana nan da kuke gani, to dai ko da haka take, to za a yi watsi da mu. Ku je ku saci kuɗi, mu zo mu danni talaka mu ba su haƙuri, za a kai lokacin da ba su sauraron mu.
Now, basically what the Imam is telling his people is that they have been pushed, the poor people have been pushed to the wall, and they have gotten to their elastic limits. They can't take it anymore. That there's this narrative that they are saying that people should not actually come out to protest. But if they sit down at home, they are going to die with hunger. If they come out, the gunmen are going to gun them down. So he is telling them that than to sit down and be coward is actually better they come out. It doesn't matter whether they are in the face of the guns and all that. They should be able to state out their minds. And that they have deceived the people for too long. It is time for them to stop lying to the people and actually allow the people, take their country back and all that. So he's encouraging them to actually come out, notwithstanding whatever the case may be. Everybody should come and fight for what is theirs, because they have been lied to for too long. These politicians are deceptive. It doesn't matter the religion, it doesn't matter the tribe, it doesn't matter anything. They have lied to them and they have used religion to deceive them for too long, and it's time for them to actually change the status quo.
However, this call has sparked division. Reacting to the Imam's message, some Igbo voices caution against participation, citing historical grievances such as the Biafra conflict and Nnamdi Kanu's detention. They fear reprisal against the Igbo community.
Those people hunger, they worry, go vote, when they go protest. Now, who they worry never? I never see anything. Hunger never even start. Go buy one motor of 5,000.
You're seeing for yourself how this dichotomy exposes the divisive tactics employed by Nigerian political elites, exploiting religion, ethnicity, and other interests to maintain power. Amid this manipulation, the fundamental commonality of Nigerians striving for economic prosperity and better society is overshadowed. As the nation grapples with these challenges, the question remains, will unity prevail over division, and can Nigerians collectively demand the accountable governance they deserve? A wise man once said, a stitch in time saves 9, and to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Nigerian politicians must act fast and make the relevant adjustments in the nation to forestall a breakdown of law and order from Nigerians who are obviously patient people. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.